Hey, what's up, y'all? You what's happening? What's happening? This is Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my live stream on Facebook and on YouTube. Facebook and YouTube. Okay. All right. So I'm here at my great aunt's house while they attend the funeral. Okay. I want to show y'all the obituary. Now on Facebook. All right. That's a obituary, y'all. Cynthia Hurd Griffin. Okay. Best aunt we ever had. You know. Oh shoot. I kind of messed up on Facebook Live. Sorry about that, folks. I kind of messed up. I was supposed to switch the camera to this. Okay. So anyway, y'all, I'm about to read something in this obituary. Okay. So I'm gonna try my best not to screw up. Okay. All right. The obituary. Okay. Cynthia Hurd Griffin was born on September 17th, 1949 in New Orleans, Louisiana, to the late Joseph Sr. and Amira Hurd. Okay. All right. She entered into sweet eternal rest on February 19th, 2023, at the age of 73. Okay. Age of 73. Surrounded by her loving family, which I am a loving family person. Okay. She surrendered her heart to God and was baptized at an early age at the Asia Baptist Church in New Orleans, Louisiana by the late Reverend Dr. Zebedee Bridges Sr. Okay. Cynthia graduated from George Washington Carver Senior High School in 1966. Excuse me. All right. Sent as she was effectively called, was a firecracker with a heart of gold. That's true. Always dripped in gold and dressed to nines. Yeah, to nines. My bad. Sin enjoyed shopping and decorating her home with beautiful plants and family photos. Yeah, that's true. She had a bright smile, quick wit and sharp tongue. All right. She found happiness by serving and helping others during her employment at NORD, Road Transportation, Como Furniture, St. Mary Academy, and Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans. Okay. Okay, so she leaves her most loving and precious memories to her sister, Sandra Hurd, godchildren, Raven and Riley Ramey, brother-in-law, Dave Alexander, devoted friends to Barbara Bell, Brenda Lucas, and Carolyn, a neighbor, Vernando. I don't know how to pronounce the name right. I don't know if I pronounced it right or not, you know. And a host of nieces, nephews, and other relatives and friends. Okay. She was preceded in death by her father, Joseph Hurd Sr., mother Amira Hurd, brothers Joseph Jr., Howard, Calvin Hurd, sisters Lily Mae Griffin, Carol Bisky, Edna Dolores White, Gloria Brown, Jeanette Alexander, Linda and Gwendolyn Hurd, brothers-in-laws Theodore Griffin, Percy Brown Sr., uh, Kerry Griffin Sr., and Milton Quinn. Okay, yeah, that was all of to read, you know. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. Okay, best as I can, you know. All right, here's some pictures here. To show y'all what on Facebook Live. Okay, and yeah, she appeared in my episodes though. You know, here is some. Oh, and look at this. Uh huh. Yep. Yep. Mighty Gloria. You'll see that. All right. So here we go. Take a look. Y'all never had a chance to see her on my show, my Auntie Linda. She passed away in 2009. I ain't started my YouTube show until 2010. You know, I had a MySpace then, and I ain't get a Facebook until 2010. You know. Yep. Uh huh. All right. All right. So while I'm here showing y'all some pics, well, I cut the lights off in here because it's a waste of energy, you know. So I'm cutting the lights back on so I can show y'all some things. Okay. All right. Here's a picture of the sisters right here. Uh huh. They got my auntie Wanky up there. She appeared on my show before she passed. Okay. So here's some pictures of her right here. You see? All right. That's a picture of her when she was younger, when she graduated from high school or college. Okay. I don't think she went to college though. Okay. All right, y'all. I mean, this is kind of a sad day for the family and stuff like that, you know. Okay. So I really enjoyed my auntie though. She helped me with my house and everything, you know. When I got some new sofas, a new and, you know, when I get home, I want to show y'all that stuff that I bought. I mean, say that she bought me, and when I saw it, I said it in front of her. Oh, I love this. This look awesome. I remember telling her that, you know. So I must say, y'all. I mean, it was nice and fun having her though. Okay, and plus, I want to tell y'all something. I will never forget. I have to say this. I will never forget. I'm laughing because what I'm about to tell y'all. I will never forget the time that she got a box cutter from my oldest brother, you know, because he was stealing from us, me and my twin and stuff like that. I will never forget that. I had to bring this up, you know. I definitely have to bring this up because, you know, my oldest brother is an evil person, you know. Mm-hmm. And you know, and I want to tell y'all something. Even she even used to ask Brandon to come sleep to our house, you know, when she ain't want to be alone in the house, you know. Okay, so that's natural, you know. Okay, so I would never forget the days, you know. Yeah, gave Brandon a present even though he was bad, you know. Even though she told him she wasn't gonna get him nothing for Christmas, and she got him something anyway. You know, my mom did the same thing. You know, okay, yep. So I must say, y'all, Auntie Cynthia, may you rest in peace. So so for some of y'all that notice, I don't like funerals. It was hard for me to go to my mom's funeral. You know, so there's somebody else coming in here and stuff. You know. All right, so thank y'all for watching so far. All right. All right, so I'll be at home, okay?